Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. Here I'm with Kyle Chaney and his new car for the Can-Am
4900 race.
4900 race.
Yep, it's the new Maverick R, Can-Am's new flagship car. We're racing this in 4900 and we're going to race an X3 in 4400, mainly because we can't fit tires 37 on this car, mainly because of the knuckle design. But this knuckle design makes this car handle amazing. It's probably the best driving car I've ever drove. You know, we had CT Raceworks built the chassis. We've got CT Raceworks lower arms, along with CT Raceworks also made a dual shear for the upright. We got a Warn RC9 winch that's in the cab, so I can control the unlock and lock. DRP made a crevices for the inside of the rack.
And that's right here, in case you guys don't know.
G-Force and Hurricane Shocks did revalve the stock Fox shocks for me.
And the difference on that is the upper adjuster and the valving?
Yep, it's got a different adjuster, and it actually doesn't have traditional valving. It has a, they call it a pump system inside. So it's, I wish I knew how to explain it, but it's beyond me. But, you know, if it's something you're interested in, you know, you can get a hold of G-Force. We got our AIM data. That way we can control all the data on the car and see what's happening. We got a Pyrotech fuel cell, light bars by Diodynamics, fans, pumper, radios, PCI radios, PRP seats, the PWR rear mounted radiator. We took the radiator out of the front, which I haven't seen a rear radiator in an R yet, so this is the first one that I've seen. We actually had to make a thermostat delete kit to work with it.
Nice.
And then they also, PWR also made us a Chaney cooler. A lot of people have been having issues with overheating the transmissions in the rocks, so PWR made a transmission cooler that keeps the temps probably, you know, from what I've seen, at least 15% cooler than stock.
And is that running a fan on the cooler also?
Yeah, it has 2 fans on the cooler.
Perfect. And then this is a CT Raceworks cage.
Yep.
Super nice work here, all TIG welded. You can tell that all of the fitting was done really well. I always look for stuff like this. So out back.
Yeah, we got stock trailing arms, but they were gusseted. CT Raceworks made a gusset kit. Factory UTV did all the skid plates. They did all the rock guards for us. There will be an exhaust on this. We haven't put the exhaust on yet. Evo's supposed to be bringing over an exhaust. We've got the new Raceline wheel, real high positive offset wheel to keep it as close to stock geometry as possible. Raceworks made a 3-inch higher sway bar so we could run arched radius rods, so we could get the radius rods up real high for more clearance in the rocks. They also dual sheared the center radius rod to get the strength.
Beautiful build.
Yeah, and that's about it. You know, we try to keep these things as close to stock as we could. Like I said, Phil Blurton and some of these other guys have had some really good luck with these things in the desert. So they're pretty tough, and we didn't feel like we had to do like a total build like we've had to do before on past cars.
Pretty solid car coming right out of the box, huh?
Yeah, we put a lot of time on it. I've been out here probably got 15 days out here within the last 3 months of pre-running and testing, and we haven't had much failure at all. So
awesome. What is the track width of this thing as it sits?
I think it's around 78. So it is a wider car, but you just have to drive it a little different. It is tougher to drive in the rocks than an X3, but the car I feel like can take a little more.
All right, that's going to be it for now. Kyle Chaney. I'm Tim Roble. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, comments, hit me up down below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. That's going to be it for now. I'm Tim Roble, and I'll catch you here next time.